In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create surveys in SharePoint. So in order to do that, first head over to your Microsoft 365 and then hover to the products and locate SharePoint from there. Now do take note that you can only sign in to your SharePoint if you have an organizational account or if you are an account under a team. So this because SharePoint is unavailable for personal accounts. Proceed to click on sign in right here. On your Microsoft 365, just locate SharePoint and you should be able to open it. Now, I have in here the support article that can help us create a SharePoint survey. Just navigate to your SharePoint site and then from in there, click on Settings and select Add an App. On the Your Apps page, just type Survey in the search field and select the survey icon. Locate the actual app that you want. You can either input a title for your survey or select Advanced option in the box to edit the specific settings you'd like to use. You can also compute or complete an overview of the purpose or content of the survey in the description field to inform users of the question they are being asked to answer. You can also choose the appropriate options, whether your survey results are showing respondent names or whether you wish to allow multiple responses. Click on Next, enter a question, add few examples of responses, and create your actual questions. And once you're done, just make sure that if a question is mandatory, select the option for additional question settings, and then adding it as mandatory. Once you're finished, just click on the finish icon, and then just copy the link for your survey in order to send it out to people. So that's all there is today. I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need about SharePoint. Thank you so much for watching.